Good afternoon. My name is Alani Santana, and I will talk about if should all athletes be required to pass regular drug tests. A friend of mine, who is a baseball player, was one of the best players seen in the 2017. The Professional Baseball League offered him about $3 million, but after getting tested for doing anabolic steroids, he lost opportunities and gained a bad reputation overall. In my opinion, athletes should be required to pass a regular drug test. Consumption of drugs has been increased in 2002 among people in their late teens. People consume drugs to feel relaxed or to look and feel strong. The reason why athletes should be required to pass regular drug tests is because drugs affect your body, they are illegal, and it's a disadvantage for athletes. Now that we're giving an overview, let's start with some reason of why consumption of drugs is illegal. The majority of drugs are illegal for certain reasons. Drugs are substances that, when taken, they alter body function both physically and psychologically. Illegal drugs have several effects on people which are influenced by different factors, like the type of drug, how much is consumed, and individual characteristics, like body, size, and health vulnerabilities. Some types of illegal drugs are cannabis, cocaine, ecstasy, heroin, and ketamine. These drugs can become an addiction in the long run, which is a reason enough, especially if an athlete, because their bodies respond worse to unhealthy habits. Besides, all the drugs are illegal and risky for our health. Some athletes consume anabolic steroids. Athletes that consume anabolic steroids have their advantage and disadvantage compared to drug-free athletes. Athletes who consume anabolic steroids do that in order to improve their skills. Anabolic steroids are synthetic derivatives of testosterone. The most important advantage of anabolic steroid is the fact that steroids work by helping the body muscle cells to produce more proteins. This promotes increasing muscle size and strength. Also, the body produces more ATP, energy that muscle needs to move. Another advantage is the fact that their bodies recover faster than normal and improves their performance and body strength without too much effort. Moreover, besides of all advantage that come with the consumption of steroids, it also have disadvantage too. Taking anabolic steroids to develop athletic performance is prohibited and illegal. It is not fair to the athletes that do not consume anabolic steroids because no matter how hard they train and how much effort they do to improve, they will be underperforming compared to people who take anabolic steroids. Besides being illegal and being unfair between athletes, it can increase your health risk. Consuming drugs are hazard to different systems in the body. The most affected systems are immune and skeletal. The immune system role is to protect the body against disease. People who are addicted may not always suffer serious problems, but the damage done to the immune system can lead to heavy infection or increased disease. For example, studies have proved that marijuana reduces the body's ability to resist infection from viruses and increases the risk of cancer. Furthermore, the skeletal system's main function is to support and protect the body, as well to produce blood cell and calcium storage. Studies have shown that system have issues to have lower bone density and cause skeletal conditions. For example, osteomyelitis is an infection of the bone, which in some cases may be linked by drug abuse, particularly during sharing and improper hygiene. In conclusion, whether or not you are an athlete, consider the facts about consuming steroids, illegal drugs which can affect your body or career. It may have some advantage for an athlete, but everything in excess is bad and has more disadvantage than advantage. That's why athletes should be required to pass the regular drug test because it's illegal. It damages different systems in your body and it's unfair to athletes who do not consume some type of drug that anabolic steroids. That's why it's important to know the effects of what drugs can do or our body because some people consume is not realizing the consequence until it's too late for them. Thank you for your attention. Hope you have a great day.